So we're actually here in their sunlight, and Mark is now back on it again on his Mark 4. Currently, I gave him a toothbrush and a scrubber and a big old jug of purple power right there. That's good stuff. And pretty much we're degreasing the engine, or cleaning the entire engine bay. And the reason why we're doing this is mainly to find any potential oil leaks that will arise once we actually get the car back up and running. So cleaning the engine bay in very pinpoint areas, like here, down here on the power steering, over by the oil cooler, by the tranny, up in the back, cleaning all that off pretty much from the head down, not from the head up, the top of the head. We're more like in the middle, so the block down is where we're looking for any type of potential oil leaks. We already found one, and it's on the pan, so we're gonna have to get a new replacement oil pan soon. But right now everything else is looking actually pretty standard in the way that any issues that we will find. So I'm actually glad about that, because there's a super cheap and very easy fixes that we found that we're going to be able to solve for the like 15-20 bucks, just ordering gaskets and, you know, new hardware to pretty much save any potential big mishaps down the road. Again, cleaning your engine bay or cleaning your engine is one of the best things you can do for the car when you suspect oil leaks in your car. And this is why I have Mark doing this, because I want him to understand where everything's located. Because this is his car, so I mean, we might as well teach him everything that he can be taught before this car actually is roadworthy and obviously safe for the road, for him and for other people on the road themselves. So this is why, again, we're doing the cleaning to find oil leaks. That way the car doesn't ever starve of oil if there's actually a big potential for a really big oil leak. We're glad that the rear main seal is actually holding up. There's no leaks there. So again, this is the only thing we're doing, is just we're going to soak it with a degreaser, purple power. Only agitate it with the brushes that I gave him. I gave him a scrubber and like a dish scrubber and a toothbrush, just to get in those really hard areas. And then let the sucker soak for a little bit, and once it's done, we're going to use our power washer and get all the heavy grease off of it, and then we'll see the end result. So I'm going to give you guys a quick flyby so you guys can see right now before, and this is what the car looks like before. It's gonna look pretty because it's wet, but it's not very pretty. You'll see a lot of grime in certain areas. Mark's big old Korean pop star head. You see that's all super dirty. Clean over here. These are all super common potential areas that are gonna be super dirty. Probably clean up the intercooler spot. Power steering's really filthy. Mark hard at work getting his baby cleaned up. I can't wait to see the end result of this. It's gonna look really good. So Mark has been thoroughly soaking this thing from underneath the head down. We're not doing anything on top. So it actually looks pretty good already, but wait until you see this thing getting power washed. Hold on. Turn it on. Hold it. Keep holding it. There we go. That's how we want it. So again, you want to shoot the water down. Here. But close. Don't get too far away. There you go. Remember, down. We don't want the water going up. In there, down there, yep. There you go. Or down. Point down. Don't point up. So Mark is working on his final coat of purple power. He's gonna do one more scrub down, and then that's it. Engine bay. Then we're gonna use the air nozzle and pretty much blow out all the standing water, because we don't want any standing water, because then it'll just cause stuff to rust and corrode. Pretty much we want everything to just drip down, so he's gonna be working on that in a little bit. But man, what a night and day difference what a little bit of purple power and a power washer can do. If you have any exposed wires, cover them with a plastic bag or a Ziploc baggie, that way you don't get any water in the terminals. We power wash the inside of the intercooler on this side as well, get that all nice and cleaned up. But yeah, man, I'm pretty happy with the end results of the cleaning. We're gonna have a better chance finding leaks and fixing leaks when we get to that point of the job in this car. So Mark's gonna keep working. We'll give you guys an update once he's done. All right, so Mark finished up. He's now he's doing the clean work on picking up everything else. Left a mess, but you can see this has color now. Same with this. This all has nice new color. Down here, nothing is actually black anymore. It's all nice and silver where it needs to be silver, and everything looks good. So next step will be to probably again replace any O-rings, any gaskets that are easy to get to while we're wrenching on it. We're going to take off all the top cover, clean everything off on top, probably clean off the valve cover and then replace the gasket on that. Probably re-tighten all the clamps, remove them and tighten them back down, see if that holds out better. An oil change. We're going to do a whole coolant flush in here. Trying to see what else we need. No, that's pretty much it. And then I said get back and tighten everything down. We are replacing all the plastic fittings here, or the flanges, with metal ones provided by Dub Invasion from Canada. Like awesome guys out there. So we're gonna take care of that. Again, we're gonna clean everything off and see how the engine bay turns out when we're actually done with it. So yeah, there's not much left for Mark to do. Again, just radiator flush, coolant, oil change, fix any vacuum lines, any bushings, gaskets, and that's it. And we're ready to fire this baby up and get it on the route. Oh, we also got new axles for it too. So yeah, got a clean set of axles as well. So hopefully this will be it, and Mark will have a nice clean car and have a fun car for him to drive. All right, peace out. And there's Mark again, Mexican Korean pop star. You gotta do the whole switch. Come on, man. His signature move. Peace out, everyone.